Hello, I'm Lyesse Laloui, professor at Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Lausanne, Switzerland, and I'm delighted to be presenting at the XVIII European Conference on Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering with the slogan, Meet Current and Emerging Society Needs. The environmental impact of traditional geotechnical methods is significant. Europe is at the forefront of addressing those issues, and I'm honored to be presenting the keynote for Team E, Environment, Water and Energy, where I will highlight one such innovative approach to this theme. Microbially induced calcite precipitation, MICP, has emerged as promising sustainable alternative to traditional soil stabilization methods. It addresses the environmental concerns associated with cement-based products by harvesting soil and groundwater microorganisms while effectively improving soil mechanical properties and contributing to geohazard mitigation. It now promises to revolutionize soil stabilization as we know it. Let's come together to see what's next for our field. After years of virtual connections, it's time to reunite and explore what European industry, know-how, and innovation can bring to the world. Let's share ideas, forge collaborations, and shape the future of our industry together. Don't miss chance to be part of something special. Join us at the XVIII European Conference on Soil Mechanics and Geotechnical Engineering. See you there.